He get your butt off of her. You can't sit on her. Ow! He's trying to sit on Aubrey. Ow! He don't lick your lips.
Dog needs exercise. Take to dog park or at least a walk.
You done? Kali. Kali. Hey! Stop! No! No, Jackson!
It's all fun and games until one of them actually catches it and destroys it.
Nice, nice.
Focus. Eyes. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, Via, focus. Good girl. Good girl, focus. Via, focus.
Boss, it's gonna be okay.
You gotta pedal. The left throw's gonna be okay. Pedal.
I already did pedal at the first time.
Oh, pedal.
That's funny, great personality. He likes to be a comedian.
Jackson! Oh yeah! Oh! Hey, if you remove that, I'm gonna leave you then. They're like, okay, it's okay if you leave that shit. Stay down. Just stay. Bye. Te l'avais dit. Your fault. See you later, alligator. Hey, see you later, alligator.
The look of, WTF are you doing, human? Lowall.
We're still stretching out that right shoulder.
The puppy was like, better leave him, you can't fight him.
It's too little. You hiding? There you go. This is a nice hide.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh! Jackson! Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Jackson! Jackson, viens ici, viens! Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Viens ici!
What? I wasn't talking to you, bud. I was asking Daddy. You don't like it.
You don't want to sniff.
Daddy, do you want to go?
I might go.
Barkley doesn't want to go.
You don't want to go? You want to stay here? Huh?
If you want to go, go get your leash.
Oh. You don't want to go?
Ear down!
Ow! Ouch! Fuck!
You gotta get your best.
Don't hit him, mommy.
You gotta get your best dog to
Look, watch
fix
this.
it.
Watch this. Watch this. I bet you I know how to wake him up. Hold on. Watch this, mommy.
Mommy.
You wanna go outside?
Don't step on me. Back it up.
Great Danes do love playing in the snow. Oh. She's so silly.
No. No.
Bro feeling like he's in prison.
Scoomy, where you going? You leave that. You leave that.
Oh, sweetie, teamwork goals until the wood fights back. Ha ha, dog.
Kilo, what? What?
The head pop was perfect. Huh?
Yeah, that's what you be doing when I be asleep. Get your ass up.
You take 6 feet back. Back up. Back up. What the hell? What?
What you doing, Franklin? What you doing, Franklin?
Give me that.